Hello crypto fans, this is Crypto Daily Info. My challenge is to bring you the latest crypto news in 5 minutes or under. I'm setting my timer now, 5 minutes on the clock. So today we've got the debanking scandal which is going on at the moment. I'm going to cover that. I'm going to cover what David Sachs said yesterday. MicroStrategy later today is releasing their earnings report. We'll have a look at that. Blackrock has released a ETP off the back of their, well, I'll get to it. That's another thing that we're going to look at, and some other stuff as well. Let's have a look at what's going on in the market at the moment. So Bitcoin is still pretty low, really, at 97,000 per Bitcoin. Ethereum also struggling at 2,700. We are in fear. It's mad, isn't it? We're hearing so much bullish news about crypto, including what David Sachs said yesterday, and yet crypto is really low. Market manipulation, I don't know. Let's have a look at the news then. So, okay, so basically right now we've got the debanking hearing that's going on at the Senate committee. And basically, there's another one here. So Nathan McCauley, the CEO of Anchorage, is testifying before the Senate Banking Committee in today's hearing about his experience of being debanked because he's running a crypto company. So that's going ahead now. I think that's just kind of interesting that they're actually looking into it, and what they want to do is improve regulations for crypto companies, and the banks really want to start using or offering crypto-backed products. All of this is coming down the pipeline. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it's all coming. It's so bullish for crypto. So that's happening right now. That's something to look at. Let's have a look at what David Sachs, the crypto czar, said yesterday in his announcement. So one of the things is he said that meme coins are collectibles, not securities. Now, I believe what that means is that they'll actually be subject to a higher rate of tax than what securities are. But the main thing is that it is regulation clarity, and more of this is coming, which is great news for the industry because, you know, that means that more companies and banks and things can offer crypto assets and crypto-based, you know, features for their customers. So more and more money is going to pour into crypto. Okay, what else? Right, so let's have a look at exactly what David Sachs said yesterday. So basically, regulation clarity was one of them. Stablecoin legislation. So again, more legislation around stablecoin. Now, really what they want with stablecoins is to make the digital dollar and keep the world reserve currency, keep the dollar prominent as a currency through a digital dollar. So they're looking into stable coins, and they need to make the regulations around that. They want domestic growth. They want to become the world's capital for crypto, which is all very bullish for crypto, really. He did mention the Bitcoin reserve. So what they want to do is they want to get the right people in place. And Trump has asked them as a priority, one of the first things they're going to do when they've got the right people in place is to look into that Bitcoin strategic reserve. And he did say Bitcoin strategic reserve, not crypto strategic reserve. So, you know, it's coming. It's just going to take some time. So we just need some patience, really. Okay, so what we got, BlackRock is launching their Bitcoin ETP in Europe, exchange traded products. Now, this is off the back of the popularity of their fund, their ETF, is it, in the United States. So we are going to get an ETP in Europe from BlackRock. So again, opening the door for more investors to invest in Bitcoin specifically. This is mega, mega bullish for Bitcoin, in my opinion. Okay, what else we got? Well, gold is reaching an all-time high. That's something kind of tangential, but not totally relevant. And El Salvador bought 21 Bitcoin last week, despite their IMF deal. So all of these nation states, organizations are buying Bitcoin. One last thing, MicroStrategy has its earnings call after close of play today, and they might be introducing the new, what's it called? The new FASB accounting rules. That means that they can classify their Bitcoin holdings as part of the valuation of their company. If that's the case, the valuation of their company is going to absolutely skyrocket because they hold one of the largest Bitcoin wallets in existence. And yeah, it's going to, so I'm really looking at MicroStrategy. It might absolutely fly on to when the market opens tomorrow based on this news. But then again, it's probably priced in as well. It's no, it's no news for us. Right, the crypto bubbles. 5 minutes. I basically covered the news, so I think I've done it in 5 minutes today. So pat on the back, well done. I've brought you the latest news in 5 minutes. Just have a look at the crypto bubbles. It's not looking great at the moment. Everything is pretty down. The weekend, obviously, with the tariffs, really caused a lot of red. A lot of those tariffs and the tariff wars now being reversed, but there's still a lot of uncertainty. But I do think that certainty is coming with the new regulations from the United States. So long term, personally, I'm very, very bullish on crypto and particularly Bitcoin. This is not financial advice, just my opinion. I'm just bringing in the news. But yeah, at the moment, it's not looking great, is it? But, wait there, hold there. It's coming. Just have patience. I think those green god candles are going to come soon enough. Now, maybe it'll be in February, maybe it'll be a bit later. But, general trend with all this bullish news is it has to go up, doesn't it? But none of this is financial advice. That's just my opinion. I am Crypto Daily Info. Follow me if you want quick, up-to-date information about what's happened in the last 24 hours in crypto, just to get your quick summary, your quick news. And if you want me to cover anything in these videos, then let me know in the comments and I'll add it to the roster of the things that I talk about. Okay, I'm finishing there. Thanks for watching Crypto Daily Info. Subscribe and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.